Hello friends, welcome back to Honey's Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple vegetable sauce for rice. This sauce is quite easy to make and all you need are some simple and common vegetables that you can easily sauce around. Okay, so we'll be using this green amaranth. You can use spinach if you have that, or any other vegetable will work. And I'm using scallion, red bell peppers, and just very few tomatoes for this. So as we cook this sauce, other additional ingredients will be added. This sauce is going to be a vegetable based sauce, so majorly we are going to be using a lot of vegetable. So stay tuned and watch this to the end and see how this sauce is prepared. Now to make this sauce, I'm going to start by washing the tomato and the pepper. I'm going to just make sure I rinse this properly, then take out the seeds from the pepper. I'm taking out the seed because I don't want much of the seed and I just don't want this sauce to be very spicy. That's why I'm taking out the seeds. You can leave yours if you love a spicy stew. Okay, once I'm done rinsing this, I'm going to cut them into tiny pieces. You can easily blend yours if you want it blended, but I'm just going to cut mine into smaller pieces just like this. Okay, I'm also going to cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces just like this. We are done chopping all our vegetables, so I'm going to shift this aside. Now I'm going to start making the sauce. So I'm placing a pan on a stove top. I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to start by adding my chopped onion. Followed with chopped ginger. Just an inch will be enough. Minced garlic. I've made a video on how to peel and cut your ginger. You can check that video out. I'm going to put the link below. And I've also made a video on how to peel your garlic and how to make garlic paste. You can check that out. I'm just going to make sure I stir this until it's fragrant. I'm going to be adding in chopped carrots. Just 2 pieces I used. I told you the stew is going to be a vegetable based stew, so we are going to be needing lots of vegetables. I'll follow with the red bell peppers. I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes. Next, I'll be adding chopped beef into this. Just cut this into smaller pieces just to keep the mouth busy. You can use chicken or any of your favorite meat, or you can simply skip this. The sauce is healthy enough. Next, I'll be adding in the chopped tomatoes. I'm adding the tomato last because it has lots of water, so I don't want the water to mess up the rest of the vegetable. I'm just going to stir fry this for 3 minutes until the tomato and the peppers are soft enough. Now we are going to start seasoning this. I'm going to be adding in chili pepper, salt to taste, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 Maggi cube. You can add this to your taste. Once I have seasoned this, I'm going to give this a stir. Just make sure everything combines with the vegetable. Looks beautiful, right? Next, I'm going to add my scallion into this. I'm just going to be generous with the vegetable. Let's stir this until it combines. I'm going to cook this for a minute. Now I'm going to be adding in my green vegetable. I said you can use spinach or any other vegetable will still work. I'm adding more, just add to your liking. Okay, now I'm going to stir this around and allow to combine. I'm going to cook this for 30 seconds. I'm going to place the lid over it, let it cook for 30 seconds. This has been cooking on low heat. I'm just going to come back to this, stir this and test for seasoning. Make sure you test your sauce to know if the seasoning is enough. If they're not enough, you can add more. Now our sauce is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. This looks very colorful and delicious. I just hope you can test this over here. So guys, your vegetable sauce is ready. I know you're going to love this. It tastes really amazing. You should try this out. You're going to enjoy this. I told you I was going to serve this over rice. Okay, this is just perfect for rice. This is really delicious, isn't it? It looks delicious, right? Okay guys, this is where we are going to end our cooking for the day. Thank you for watching this video. If you loved the video, please remember to share it with your friends and loved ones. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a delicious and amazing video like this. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.